Today we are going to study about ionic bond. Okay. Actually, every atom has tendency to obtain either duplet state or octet state. This we already studied in 8th standard. What do you mean by duplet state? Huh?
In duplet state, there are two electrons present in the last shell.
There should be outermost. That shell should be outermost. If only two electrons are there, then that state is called as duplet state. Okay, good. Octet state. Octet state. Yes. 8 electrons should be there in outermost shell. Then that state is called as octet state. If atom has either duplet state or octet state, then that time that atom will be stable. Now, to obtain either this duplet state or octet state, the atom will either lose electron or gain electron. And during this losing and gaining of electrons, ions are formed. Okay, let's study about this with one of the example of sodium chloride. What is the atomic number of sodium? Okay, if it is 11 means what? 11 electrons as well as 11 protons are there. So if 11 electrons are there, then what will be its electronic configuration? Yes, means distribution of electron will be like this. 2 in first shell, 8 in second, and that of in last shell only 1 electron will be there. Means what? In valence shell, only valence shell means what? Outermost shell. Only 1 electron is there. So that's why valence electron is also 1. Now, there are two chances to obtain its octet state. Either this sodium atom will lose 1 electron or gain 7 electrons. If it lose 1 electron, then also there are 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Or either by gaining 7 electrons. 1 is already there, so 1 plus 7 it will obtain an octet state. So what will be easier for sodium atom? Either gain or lose?
To lose 1 electron.
Okay, very good. It will lose 1 electron because to gain 7 electron it will require more energy. So it will lose 1 electron. Obviously, if electron is negatively charged, then negative charge will be less there. So which charge will form on this sodium atom? By losing electron, which charge will be formed? Positive. Yes, very good. So positively charged ions are called as cation. So that's why cation is form of sodium. Next, chlorine. What is the atomic number of chlorine? 70. So obviously 70 electrons will be there in chlorine atom. So what will be its distribution? Electronic configuration will be what?
2 and 7.
Yes, 2 will be there in first shell, 8 will be in second shell, and remaining 7 electrons will be there in its outermost shell. So again, obviously to obtain octet state, how many electrons are required?
1.
Either 1 electron or it can lose 7 electrons. Okay. So again there are two possibilities. So which will be easier for this chlorine atom? Which will be easier? To lose 1 electron? To lose this 7 electrons or gain 1 electron? What will be easier for that?
To gain 1 electron.
Yes, because to lose 7 electron, that chlorine atom will require more energy. But it is easier to gain 1 electron. So obviously if electron is negatively charged, so which charge will form on this chlorine atom? Yes, minus means negative charge. So that's why negatively charged anion of chlorine atom will form. and this positively charged cation and negatively charged anion has force of attraction. So that's why they will form bonding, and this bond is called as ionic bond. And that's why the substance is called, formed by this ionic bonding is called as ionic substance. Like this, ionic compound sodium chloride is formed. Okay, let's revise about this ionic bonding. Okay, what is the atomic number of sodium?
11.
So electronic configuration will be
281.
yes. So one electron is there, so that's why its valency will be now
1.
so it will lose one electron, and which type of ion will form?
Positive.
And positive ion is called as
Cation.
very good. Now, what is the atomic number of chlorine?
70.
So what will be electronic configuration?
287.
So again, one electron is required. So by gaining one electron, it will form which type of ion?
Negative.
And negative ion is also known as
Anion.
so this positively charged anion and negatively charged anion. Positively charged cation and negatively charged anion will show attraction. Which bond will form?
Ionic bond.
Ionic bond. So that's why sodium chloride is formed, and the compound is known as ionic compound. Is it okay? Good. Very well done. Thank you.